Ran into my mentor on this beautiful morning, on this lovely and glorious morning walk. I might have been gone, nigga, but I'm never gone. But he said, taking care of people is cheap. I call it HU-monics. It's pretty much the economics of taking care of people. And you can say like psychology and sociology, but I like how he used it because I know regular people will get it. But it really is cheap to check on somebody, see how they doing mentally and shit. Because people need that. They need that love and just help, you know. If you treated people like how you would money, or if you treated people like reflections, if you really treat people like your reflection and take care of your own, that's going to eventually lead to everybody taking care of everybody. And them really good economics.